We are excited to present this year's virtual conference in a platform called Whova. You can download the Whova mobile app or access it from the web platform on your desktop. Just a reminder, Whova works best in a Google or Google Chrome browser. We'll show you some of the common and most used features in Whova in this video that will help you navigate the conference weekend. First, once you've downloaded the app, you will arrive on the homepage or landing page. Don't forget to check out this year's conference sponsors below. Next, click below to view the event agenda and plan your personal schedule for the conference. Simply click View Session when sessions have begun to view the speaker's live stream. The session will indicate live session when they have started. Be sure to check out the amazing speaker lineup and their profile for this year's Cancer Cachexia Conference. Be sure to take part in Friday night social hour with a fun table hopping speed networking activity. And take some time to view the poster section and don't miss the opportunity to chat to the authors on Saturday, August 28th during the live poster viewing session. Check out who is attending this year's conference and don't forget to complete your profile. Reach out and say hi to someone you haven't talked to in a while. Create and converse through numerous discussion topics in the community board. This is a great way to connect with conference attendees. Receive updates such as last-minute session changes from the organizers right here in the message section. And if you need more guidance on how to use Whova, please visit Whova User Guides in the resource section. Enjoy the 2021 Cancer Cachexia Conference.